Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with Slack, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current sales strategies. Identify key areas where communication can be improved. Conduct a team meeting to gather insights from your sales team. Encourage team members to share their struggles with existing communication methods. Outline the common challenges faced in the sales process. Introduce Slack as a potential solution for these challenges. Create dedicated channels for different aspects of the sales process. Set up a channel for lead tracking and updates. Establish a channel for sharing sales resources and best practices. Incorporate a channel for real-time collaboration on sales pitches. Promote the use of direct messaging for quick questions and clarifications. Encourage your team to use Slack's integration capabilities with other sales tools. Show them how to integrate CRM systems for seamless information flow. Foster a culture of open communication by consistently engaging in Slack conversations. Schedule regular check-ins via Slack to discuss sales goals and progress. Leverage Slack's reminders feature to keep the team on track with deadlines. Train your team on Slack features to maximize their efficiency. Share success stories and celebrate wins in the appropriate channels. Collect feedback regularly to assess the effectiveness of Slack in your sales strategy. Make adjustments to your Slack setup based on team feedback. Monitor team engagement and adapt strategies as necessary. Use analytics tools to measure the impact of Slack on sales performance. Continue to iterate and refine your sales strategies using Slack. Emphasize the importance of collaboration and clear communication in the sales process. Ensure the team remains motivated and informed through Slack's constant connectivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.